What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am gonna be showing you guys some helpful settings in Microsoft Edge you need to put on. So let's get into it. And by the way guys, I'm very sorry for not uploading for like how long, I don't even know. Let's check real quick. Let's see, what was it? Aryan IT. How long have I not uploaded? Sorry for that, mic cut out. How long have I not uploaded? 2 weeks. My bad guys. I just was very busy the past couple of weeks, so I was not able to upload, but I will be coming with an upload possibly tomorrow. No, in 2 or 3 days. I'll definitely upload more though. Sorry for that delay there, but I will be uploading way more from now on. I was just working a bit more on Unity than a bit of Windows, so yeah. But anyway, let's go on Microsoft Edge, and you want to click on the 3 dots at the top, or you can use the hotkey Alt and then F. Just Alt F, not Alt F4, otherwise that will quit it. Alt F4 will quit this thing, will quit the Microsoft Edge. Don't click that. So you want to click on Alt and F if you really want, or just click the thingy, the dots, and go down to settings. And it has some I'm not going to go through this payment info and stuff. I'm going to look for these settings here, like appearance, on startup and stuff like that. So yeah, the first one I want to go to is to on startup. Once Microsoft Edge is open, you want to open a new tab, say like that, or you want to continue where you left before. So say you were on YouTube and then you closed it and you come back, and if you open it, it'll bring you straight to YouTube on the same page. So yeah, I'm just going to click it as open tab. I don't really want to change that. New tab page, customize your new tab page and layout and content. You can basically customize this, like the background and stuff. So I want to go with a let's see, your own image. You can upload your own image from here, so it'll customize this background back here. Wait, let me go off a bit. Oh great, I can't come up, but this part right here, it will customize that, so it's not like this bridge thingy. I don't know what you were supposed to call this, but yeah, it won't do that. Let's go back now. Okay, share, copy and paste. You can either have if you want to use a shortcut, this is actually really helpful. You can either use Control plus V, which is a default by Windows, or Control Shift and V. So Control Shift V to paste. Either could work. I'm just going to go with the normal default one. But there's a setting under here it says use the format selected above while copying links within web pages. This will basically appear in the background and stuff, but it will just not appear in your browsing history. If you want, I recommend you putting that on. I don't really use Microsoft Edge, so I will just put it on for no reason. Cookies, and I don't want to see that. That's something you can do. Default browser. This is very cool. You don't even have to do this as in Microsoft Edge, but it says make Microsoft Edge your default web browser. Make default. You push on this. Internet Explorer capacity. Compatibility. I don't even know how to say that, but that's basically letting Internet Explorer open sites from Microsoft Edge. I don't really want that to happen. Internet Explorer is very old. It's not very up to date. It's super laggy, and YouTube doesn't even work on it. It's banned on Internet Explorer, so I hate it. So I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not gonna force you to do whatever I want, but if you want, go ahead. I don't mind. But yeah, as you can see, I already made it my default. So let me just quickly get a link from a page, and I'll show you guys what I mean. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just went in Discord and I put a link down. It's my link, obviously, and I'm just gonna close out Microsoft Edge, and I'm gonna click on the link, and it will automatically open up Microsoft Edge. As you can see, it's by default because I put on the default browser option. If I don't want that to happen, I can just, oh, there's a zoom button. Wow, this is actual very, very cool. I did not expect them to have a zoom thingy. But yeah, but anyway, make sure to subscribe. Oh no, that's not where I wanted to click. Subscribe right here. I'm not signed in at the moment, but yeah, I'm not gonna do anything here, but yeah, what was I saying? Okay, if you don't want Microsoft Edge to be your default web browser, just go in it again and click on the settings, and you want to do default browser, and as you can see, you can't do it from here. How you can do it is by going to here to the search bar and typing in default apps, and you want to go to a web browser right here. I think I did this in the last video, but I don't know. Go here. I'm just going to click Google Chrome, and now let me go open up Discord again. And I open this up. It should open up Google. Yep, there we go. So Windows detects that it's the that it's the default one, and it will open it, obviously. But yeah, that is basically all of the settings I want to show you guys in today's video. You guys can also reset the settings. I'm not going to do anything. I hardly even use this one, but some of you guys hardly even use Microsoft Edge, but some of you guys use Microsoft Edge a lot, so I just wanted to make this quite clear and make sure you guys are safe while doing it, while going and searching through Microsoft Edge. But anyway, that is the end of today's video, guys. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.